Hey everyone, welcome back to our lessons, and today our lessons is basic technique toolbox. So we open new part, and from the front plane, sketch and rectangle, center rectangle, smart dimension, 100. And this also 100. And click extrude. And the depth is 20 millimeters. So the next step, we're gonna click this hole wizard, and we're gonna make a hole, change the standard to ISO, and go to size, and change to 12 through all, and tolerance 12. And if it's done, we're gonna locate the hole right here and right here. If it's done, click OK. And the next step, I'm gonna save this file. As whatever you want. And from file, make assembly from file. Copy this and paste it, and I'm gonna change the appearances to this part to blue, and this part to red. And click OK. And right now we are going to connect this vertex to this vertex, and make it coincident. And this vertex also coincident. And the last one is click this and click this, click OK. If it's done, change the view to isometry. And the next part is we're gonna add screw to this toolbox, ISO, board, export and screw, zoom this, we're gonna add the screw, and next this screw, and click escape. Change the view to isometry, zoom, and the back will be like this. Isometry again, zoom, and we go to the next step. And here we can change the part. Like this. I'm gonna delete this part. Delete this part. And add again. And the size must be M12. The exact same as our hole. And click escape. It's done. Isometry and so on. And the next step, we're gonna add the hex nut. Rotate the part and add this. And click OK and click OK and escape. Change the view, zoom again, and the next step we're gonna click this, change the view like this, and we're gonna configure the component. And we're gonna edit the toolbox component, change this length to 60, and if it's done it will be like this. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.